Dragi četrtošolci, skupaj bomo rešili nalogo v delovnem zvezku. In sicer na strani 20, 8. naloga. Torej, stran 20, stran 20, 8. naloga. Kar odprite delovne zvezke in gremo skupaj pogledati, kako bi jo rešili. Primer je že rešen. Helen pravi, I've got a goldfish. Tukaj je z rumeno označena, bom tudi jaz vzela rumeno, pa pogledamo torej Helen. Aha, pa ima res goldfish. No, pa pogledamo naprej Lucy. Pojmo po njeni poti. Let's follow her path. And she's got a mouse. Now let's write. Lucy says, I've got a mouse. Now let's see what has Tim got. Tim, let's follow his path. Okay, what has Tim got? A hamster. Now let's write. Tim says, I've got, to pomeni jaz imam, a hamster. I've got a hamster, jaz imam hrčka. Now what has David got? Let's see. David has got a snake. So David says, I've got a snake. David pravi, jaz imam kačo. What about Tina? Tina's path goes up, then a little bit down. She's got a cat and a dog. So Tina says, I've got, jaz imam, a cat and a dog. Okay. What about Hooky? We all know what has Hooky got, but let's check it out anyway. Hooky has got a parrot, of course. So Hooky says, I've got a parrot. What about Danny? Let's see. What has Danny got? Kaj ima Danny? Danny has got a horse. So Danny says, Danny pravi, I've got, jaz imam, a horse. Paziti moramo, kako se beseda napiše, kaj ne? Now Twig says, let's follow Twig's path first. Twig says, Oh, a turtle. Twig says, I haven't got a pet, but I'd like to have a turtle. Tole je pa predebela barva. Čakajte, bom pa jaz pobrisala. Bom vzela bolj tenko pisalo, pa poskusimo še enkrat. So Twig says, I haven't got a pet, but I'd like to have. Jaz nimam ljubljenčka, ampak bi rad imel želvo po angliško se to napiše turtle. Turtle se pa izgovori. And the last one is Mark. Mark. Let's see where his path will lead us. So we're going up, 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 up. A crocodile. It says a pet crocodile. So it's not just a crocodile. crocodile, but a pet crocodile. Mark says, I've got a pet crocodile. I've got, jaz imam, a pet je udomačen. Crocodile se pa napiše crocodile. So a pet crocodile, udomačen krokodil. Bravo, uspelo nam je.